Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you a Canva new animation, that is brushstroke reveal animation. So let's get started. First, we will just go to Canva app and we will open YouTube thumbnail design. So this is the interface. Now I will add three more pages. Now we will go to elements and select our image here. Search for our images which you want to select. You can select from here. There are so many stock. Now choose this image and adjust it to the canvas. Just drag the image. Now go to the second page and choose the image. Same as the third and fourth page. Choose this image. Will select the first page and I will copy this and paste it on the second page and go to the position and send it to the back. Now we will go to the second page and copy this page and bring it to the third page and paste it here and send it back. Now we will copy the third page and paste it on the fourth page and go to the position and send it back. Now we will click on the timings and I will select the 2 second and apply it to all the pages. Now I will change the time of first page into 1 second. Now we will select the page and go to animation and choose the photo, and here is the brush animation. And also I will select from enter and I will choose curve. Now we will go to second page and again select the page and choose brush animation and choose wild. You can also adjust and go to third page, select the page and choose your animation dip, and on the last page we will choose swirl. So here is the final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, tell me in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.